Have you ever faced the frustration issue where your mouse pointer suddenly disappears on Windows 11, Windows 10, or Surface device? You're not alone. In this video, I will show you multiple ways to bring your cursor back in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, let's start with some quick fixes. These might seem simple, but they often work. If you're using a laptop, try moving your mouse or swiping on a trackpad. Sometimes the cursor is just hidden and simple movement brings it back. The second one, press Control key repeatedly on some devices. Pressing the Control key highlights the cursor, making it easier to spot. The third one, try connecting an external mouse. If you're using a laptop with a trackpad, try plugging in a USB mouse. If the cursor appears, there may be an issue with your trackpad settings. If the quick fixes didn't work, let's check the mouse settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. To open mouse settings, brace Windows plus I to open settings. Go to Devices, Mouse, Additional Mouse Options. The next step, enable pointer visibility. Under the Pointer Option tab, check the box that says Show Location of Pointer when I brace the Control key. While you're here, uncheck Hide Pointer while typing. This often fixes the issue, especially on laptops. If your cursor is still missing, you might have a driver issue. Let's check that. Open Device Manager, press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Find and update the mouse driver, expand mic and other pointing devices, right-click your mouse and select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Reinstall the driver. If updating doesn't work, right-click and select Uninstall Device and restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver, and that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions helped you get your mouse pointer back. If you're still facing issues, let me know in the comments.